pigs, and birds cast in train versus train. Professor, why you are hearing me is because what is that? Oh no, it's not. It's just diesel 10. Diesel 10. What is it? Yeah. Diesel 10 is diesel 10. No. I voice. What is diesel 10? Diesel 10 is have a color. Is a train. Is have a nose because is have a no sport. You have a bowling. Because I just a big muscular boy. The little chairs, he's building the wheels, and he's chopping. He's chopping. Yeah. So here's a live guy. Live guy? Yeah, because like Thomas, he's a this person, so You're the genius. Why you not hear me at the start of your professor pit? Why you call me genius? I am genius. So we're used to destroy the birds. I hate and want it on the tape. I hate that. Dahlia is make the cute train is naked because he is a potter. We have to destroy him and cut the eggs. Grab the eggs? Yes. Oh, eggs are right. His potters were full. Let's go. Later in the bird island. Tony is not did it, but our make friends is not work. How we? Hey guys! Wait, Dahlia, what are you doing? I have to show you my totally new train. Oh, let me see. Let's go. This is naked. Naked? Yeah, it's naked. It's naked train. Yeah, I'm naked train. It's a purse. Wait, it's a counter. So where are your starter on? Yeah, to the help participants. The help yours? You ever needs help because I thought this story. Oh God, the poor Retulus and the robe and so lost it. What the? These are is a daughter now. Yeah, because it's a tooth. Well, Why you're away? The static is the toll. Because it needs his little heart about to destroy. And I need eggs. Never! Elephant. Already said. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh yeah. Ah! Wait. What are you doing? Ah! Dang it. He's a cook. All right then. Ready, sir? Oh no! Don't hurry! You're not going to stay for this to door train. Wait, is it custard soul? No. Up. Oh. Oh, it is. Oh. It's 10. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Quick, we gotta to get down. Oh, we have to forward. Oh! Oh! Goodness. Ah! It's so long. I get paid for. Oh, we actually win, I think. Oh no, you're not. Oh no. Go. See, start. You're dangerous. Hey. Oh no! Goodness! Hey, he's going fast. I can't put that you can. Oh, Snake, are you okay? Yeah, but I so breaked. I'm breaked. Oh no. We have to the scientist to make this. We need help. But he's not friends. But we lost help. This guy is a toy. He needs a toy source. No, I'm trying to make that friends, but he's started just a carbon. Because as for not, he's not remember me. Is that actually is a stone is a never but 10 wrong so I really start with this guy or okay, you're gonna be taught. So you try to but not why? Because the beak is just the artist, not the bird. And phones is not remember us. So what we have to do now? I don't know. Okay, it's gonna be years to cut this. Few minutes later. Alright, I needed to food. So where's this old dad? And I think so he's gonna throw shots the birds. Where's yay! Oh, you have it. Oh, nice job. Yeah. So where's the birds? He's escaped. What? He's escaped? Yes. Why? because he saw a certain amount of my life, and he could. I put it at it. I knew it is not supposed to editor. It's impossible to grab these birds because he's free of them. Ah, birds. Pigs, get the turn around the castle, please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have just one egg. With this, wait a minute. He's cracking? I think it's hatchling there. Oh no. Okay, I just gonna. Again. I think I just get statistics. Hatchling and so. Stop. Okay, I stop. Okay. Why the taste of foods? It's honest. I didn't. I'll take it. Hey, red, white. Hey, a diary is or something. What? What you want, Dahlia? It's all product. There's no hours. Enough. This is the portal. He needs help. Because he needs help is fed up. Fed up is a cat to get her help. It's the enemies is back. The chiefs? Yes. Alright. Go on there. I think he sent the turn hours to make this portal. Okay, let's get it there. Alright. Hey guys, you're back. Aha. So where's the chief? It's right there. Is you back or I back? Oh, this is bad. It's the toy. That is the toys. We bad chiefs. Bad chiefs. That's so cool, one. That is that has you. Yeah. Hey, choose wars. Yeah. Let's start it. Hey, the portal. Is it the portal? They're mocking us. Let's attack them. Yeah. What is that? The chiefs. Castrate him. Oh. Hey, try this hotel fed ups. But remember, this is kind of over slingshot. Yeah. Okay. So you're a little slow. You're gonna try the last toucan? Alright. Those flips. That was fast. Damn. Chiefs attack. I want to rest. Not so store orders. Door Roger. Ding. Hey, kids, store orders. Rush your stores. Oh, just so good. The little words. Bro, what? I get up. Now the last one's me. Alright. What's where did it, guys? Yeah. This is not over yet. We have the team. Hey, the pigs and the sheeps? Hey, why you call me us? Because it is the sausage pieces. Alright. Let's get it for this. Oh, no, you don't. Sheeps and pigs castrated. Oh no, this is all. This is the time. Try to catch this anything. So, on your thoughts, I'll keep it in. Alright, yeah. On Hey, it is your turn. Uh-oh. Oh! Holy shit. Now we're asked it is not. Yes. The shell is the doom. Where did it? Yes. This is the word. Alright, let's see 10 more. You can return to arm. Yeah. Whoa! How you construct this all? Because of that. Goodbye. Alright. Let's go. Oh no. Wow, he's destroyed. Goodbye. Oh, please not work. What? These fucking birds. These birds is not the sword. Yes, because it's not is a powerful. It's even though it's no girl that's right. So why you do her roasted? Alright. We have to plan something. What's something? I got an idea. I present the sound car. Alright. This button. It's getting attention to me. Yeah. But there's even more. And it says start by the animal. I have an idea. Very idea. What is it? We're going to put a room in South to kill the birds. Sally, is it a little Jeff fed up? So just the total on the sea? Then I know. And next time I couldn't not just started to win. And then is a card now for Zoe. Hey Chips, check it out. Wait, what is it? Sir, I am keeping. Is it the words? You can present doors, the cells, the cell core, the cell core. The kitchen stores. Ooh. So we going to join us? Sure. Yeah. And now the birds can win with this sauce. Oh, that's... Oh my god, he's gonna be back. Oh, hey, you're back. What is it though? Yes, so those are on. We find the sheep and the pigs here first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, but I have to submit. But how? Oh, how? We have to find them. Why we have to find them? Because he's a non-deterred friends, but try to get star reality sentiment. Remember him in the standalone dark. Ah! Hey, Stella, what do you want? What is happening? The pigs is destroying all my forest. These pigs. Why is never give up? Come on, we have to look it. The attack, we have to attack her. Alright, let's go. A few moments later. No. This to turn on. Me. Release it on one another worst. No, hope. He's a pawn. He's a polybuster. He's monster duck. Another result. Me want him. Obey. Or not be so hard. Fits touchable. Oh well, he's stood the turn. Lean Gabby. Yost? Yes, that's the yost. Towards. So I for the hard passy time. Wanted the bird to solitaire. There's a ton of for the head they can sing me. But the turtle, come on, birdies, is it? My audience has sauced. And that thought. What the? I hear some poo. I think, as it's the sun. Hey, come back here. Oh, is it wrong? No, I am Gabby. Oh, Captain. Oh no. I think this photo I did it. Get bunted back again. And I'm gonna chop you again. And I'm gonna bundle to the right for the again! I hate that guy. She's the poor police. Hey, you! The turn star? Why are you at level the Patsy at 10? I I have some wedding spot, huh? You. Oh! Hey, what are you doing? I got you. This. Why you need me to talk King Pig, I got it. Wait, guys? King Pig? King Pig! I got the bird. King Pig? Are you gonna see me? Oh! Oh! Ah! Hey! Hey, nah! Oh! Where's King Pig? It is stood for a run. Oh no, you little freak. Hey, you little iron diesel. That's it. Here's good Potter. And my yeah. Haha. And now you can never bring me the sun. Hello. Oh, what is this? The mask? Oh! Another bird is gone. Continue.